we recently visited Sheraton Vistana Resort in Orlando, Florida, and stayed in a 2-bedroom villa in Cascades section. Let's check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to head inside here and check out our villa here at Sheraton Vistana Resort, Villa 2449. As we head in here, the first thing we're going to notice to the left when we head inside the door is the kitchen. A very large kitchen, full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, and something you're probably going to notice here is the microwave on the countertop, and that is actually because this is an ADA accessible villa. And also you'll probably notice at some point here that under the sink you are able to roll up with a wheelchair. You have all that you need here in the kitchen, a full-size refrigerator, as well as a dishwasher, all of the dinnerware, silverware, cutlery, anything that you would need to get through your week and be able to cook great meals in the kitchen. And also, just off the kitchen is a small utility closet that does contain a stacking, high-efficiency washer and dryer. So that is definitely a big plus here in this villa at Sheraton Vistana Resort. Okay, so just off the kitchen here, you will also find the second bedroom. 2 full-size beds and a nightstand make up this second bedroom. It is a pretty good size, and in the bedroom here you also have a full closet that does also happen to include the iron and ironing board. There is also a large chest of drawers with a fairly small television on top, which isn't perfectly ideally situated to the beds for watching television, but it just does kind of okay. And one definite drawback here in this second bedroom is that it does not have a ceiling fan. We definitely do like having a ceiling fan in the living room and both bedrooms, but that is one thing that this bedroom here is lacking. Now we're going to head into the bathroom here that actually has a entryway from the main living area as well as that second bedroom that we were just in. And again, you're going to notice here that it is a roll-up vanity for a wheelchair in this ADA accessible villa. And you also have a very large shower and toilet. And the shower here is also a roll-in shower for the ADA accessibility. And in this ADA accessible shower, you are going to find an overhead shower head there as well as a handheld. And you're also going to find a fold-down shower seat. Okay, so let's now head back out into the dining room and living room area. You will find a pretty good-sized dining room table here with 6 chairs. Just off the dining room here is also a large desk, definitely a big plus for us. And you're going to find some additional outlets and USB charging ports on top of that desk as well. Let's go ahead and head into the living room here. A large, pretty comfortable couch that will also pull out into a queen-size sleeper sofa. A couple of chairs as well as a coffee table. And some interesting artwork there as well behind the sofa. Also in the living room here, you're going to find a large flat screen television atop a TV stand that also includes a Bose sound system along with a Blu-ray player. That Blu-ray player is actually built right in to that Bose system. A nice ceiling fan in the living room here as well. Now, let's go check out the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, the first thing you'll notice here is that large jetted tub, which I'm really not sure, does anybody really ever use that? But in here, you have a large king-size bed and a nice TV stand here as well with a large flat screen television. There is an exit from the master bedroom here as well, out to the patio, which we will check out at the end of the video. The closet in here also includes the in-room safe, so definitely take advantage of that if you have any valuables to store. As we head in here and check out the master bathroom, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that sounds like what you want to see, be sure to subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. The master bathroom here also has dual vanities, kind of an interesting setup. They have a separate vanity out in the main bedroom area across from that large jetted tub, as well as a sink and vanity inside the bathroom area where you will find also the toilet and the large shower. Okay, so now that we've checked that out, let's go ahead and head outside to the balcony. The balcony out here does have 4 chairs and a small patio table, and it also has a ceiling fan, a big plus here, to help keep that air moving on those hot and humid days in Orlando, Florida. There's also a power outlet out there as well, and our balcony actually had a fairly nice view of a small lake and a fountain. Okay, so if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos about timeshare, check out what to watch next in the description box below. For another video about Sheraton Vistana Resort, check out this one right up here on YouTube. They're sure you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.